Hey there, folks. Let's visit CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Oh, I love this one. This is great. I really like a. Whoa. I don't know what I did there. I don't know what I did. There we go. So what do I see? Obviously, we all see the circles, and we see the quadrants. What's really great is that quad is just standing out to me as a conic gradient with 4 quadrants, right? So that's how I'm going to start it. I've got a yeah. So yeah, here we go. What are the stops? It comes around from the top, right? Like this is a great illustration of there's 360 degrees of arc, or 100% of arc, or 1 turn of arc, and you can use different numbers to do that. And they start in the top and the middle, just like an analog clock. I know that's not popular. I'm probably showing my age by saying analog clock. I'm not sure that everyone is comfortable with an analog clock these days, but I am, because I'm old. Okay. So you can see the different parts and the stops, and that's how you get those squares, right? Like that's a terrific way to do that. And yeah, you could do different ways of doing this. You could do linear gradients of 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, but anytime there's a disjoint, that's a different size, right? You could do linear gradient, but that's just a great solution for that. And I definitely think that radial gradient is the way to go here. So the question is there a way to simplify it so that only one? So I think it's 2. So I want 2 radial gradients. Radial gradient. And I'm going to say I'm going to do the top part first. Is that counterintuitive? It's a little counterintuitive. At, what is it? 50%, 100% white. 30 pixels? Well, I guess we can see. The radius would be from here. Oh, actually from here. 200 to 240, so 40 pixels. And then transparent. And make sure to have a comma. Now that's the shape you get. And yeah, there we go. So that it's in the wrong spot, obviously. And I think we also need the bottom part of the circle, and that's at 50% 0 and a comma, and that's up there. So with background position, we will move hopefully in the right direction. 50. There it is, 150 pixels. So is the bottom part the same or very similar? Yes, very similar. That surprises me. I think, yeah, so so that's interesting. I didn't think of it that way, but yeah, the negative number is optional there. But this one is the, so let's just make sure I'm looking at the right one. Yeah, so there it is. So the bottom one we want to repeat, so we give it a width. How about 33%? And you see it's a little bit offset with each one kind of right, but more and more not right, because it doesn't go evenly. That could be right. And then move. So each one of the, each slice horizontally maybe is 130 pixels. It could be 125, but that looks like it could be correct. So let's offset it 10 pixels or minus 10 pixels. No, 10, 20. No, 15. No, minus 15. Oh, well, we're going to keep trying numbers. 10. Five. I tried 10, 5, 15, 20. None of them were right. That could be right. So that's 3 gradients to create the background. That rather complicated background, right? Like that's it looks like we've got interlocking interesting stuff. Minify. And you replace, we got the 150s are probably going to do what I want there. Yeah. And can I use 50% and not 50 VH? No, I cannot. How about minus 50%? Yeah, no, not how it works. Yeah. What else? What else can we do? I guess that's it. That's all I want to do with this solution that I've done. So, is there another option? So what if I'm going to copy and paste the conic gradient? I'm going to do one more way. Just plop that right there. Is there a way to do this with 3 elements? Maybe. And let's have a linear gradient. That's transparent on the top. Oh, and it's a variable var W for white, the color, white or transparent, and then white. And let's do a height and a width. And I guess we know it's, no, we do a height. Height is 80. Yeah, 80. And then aspect ratio, no, do a width, because I'm going to do a display flex. Width, 80. And let's put display flex. Oh, we got a problem. Why? Because there's missing parentheses. There it is. Oh, and that color stop needs to be hard. So that's 50% here, 0. And then in the case of B, which will be the middle one. Oh, and then even better. Yeah, so we'll put a B on that. And B will have --W will be white. F of F. There it is. So now we've got the pieces. Let's display flex. And then let's order radius. 50%. And that's not working. Why isn't it? Oh, there it is. It is working. I don't know why I was not seeing it as working, but it is clearly working. All right. Okay. I guess we need margins and we need a gap. 40 pixel 40 gap 40 pixels. Maybe 50. Let's increase the margins. 40, 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 92, 93, 94. So that's just a flex solution. We could use grid. It's a longer syntax though, right? Like that's like a little bit longer. What else? Is there optimizations we can make there? Let's minify unit replace, and we'll submit that. Anything else we can do there? Probably not too much. It's similar. It's not a better. Oh, look at that. So yeah, no, that's no good. Can't use the ampersand there. So interesting. When you use the ampersand, right? Like that is kind of bonkers, right? The implications of how the ampersand is used are, for me, muddied by how SAS uses the ampersand. It's about containing elements, and it's like there's some subtle nuances, and so my tendency is to want to use it as though it were SAS, and sort of like I blindly use it. So this is why I don't do that, because I don't understand it. But it's something that it's worth me learning. So it's, as much as I know, there's a lot I don't know, and I don't truly understand the nuances of. What else? I think that's it. And I guess I could remove the B and have this be, odd, but that's not a better selector. And so ultimately the better solution is that one. So that's good. That's fun for a weekend. I enjoyed that one. I can't remember one quite that look with sort of cut off elements. Enjoyable. Got back from the beach. It was a good beach day. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having a great day out there. I don't know if you listen to me when I say, hey, go make a web page, but if you're interested to learn how to make more web pages, or interested to talk about web pages on the 5th of July 2025, go to events.indieweb.org. Check out the event. It's upcoming. If you're interested to join, make a web page. We can encourage you to do that. I think it'll be fun. Anyway, get out of here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.